Hi, this is Fiorella, like Cinderella from anyhousecleaning.com. Depending of your needs is our services. Besides sanitizing and cleaning your bathroom, we can arrange something about organization. We are pet friendly. If you need to clean your hardwood floors or even to clean the laundry area, we can do that. We already sanitize and cleaning. We offer carpet cleaning, tile and grout. Someone is polished the window in the master bedroom. Is already sanitized the big shower. And I was organizing the books for this kid. This area was a mess, but I already organized depending of the collection. If you need your house clean or organized, just call us at 407-572-4118.